Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel The Knowledge Library. Today we are going to discuss some important MCQs on executives of India. Before starting, let us discuss who are the executives according to the Indian government. In the context of the Indian government, executives typically refer to the individuals holding high-ranking positions in the executive branch which is responsible for implementing and enforcing laws and policies. These include the President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers and various administrative officials at the central and state levels. The executive branch is distinct from the legislative and judicial branches of the government. So let's begin with the questions. The first question is, the governor of a state is appointed by the President on the advice of the Option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Vice President. Option C, Chief Minister. Or Option D, Chief Justice. The correct answer is Option A, Prime Minister. The next question is, the President gives his resignation to the Option A, Chief Justice. Option B, Parliament. Option C, Vice President. Or Option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is Option C, Vice President. Moving to the next question. For what period does the Vice President of India hold office? Option A, 5 years. Option B, till the age of 65 years. Option C, 6 years. Or Option D, 2 years. The correct answer is Option A, 5 years. Move to the next question. Who among the following holds office during the pleasure of the President? Option A, Governor. Option B, Election Commissioner. Option C, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Or Option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is Option A, Governor. Moving to the next question. Which of the following appointment is not made by the President of India? Option A, Chief of the Army. Option B, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Option C, Chief Justice of India. Or Option D, Chief of the Air Force. The correct answer is Option B, Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Moving to the next question. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? Option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, President. Option C, Parliament. Or Option D, Citizens of India. The correct answer is Option B, President. Moving to the next question. The first woman governor of a state in free India was Option A, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Option B, Mrs. Vijaya Lakshmi Pandit. Option C, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Or Option D, Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani. The correct answer is Option C, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. Moving to the next question. Minimum age required to contest for presidentship is Option A, 23 years. Option B, 21 years. Option C, 35 years. Or Option D, 30 years. The correct answer is Option C, 35 years. Moving to the next question. The Chief Minister of a Union Territory where such a setup exists is appointed by the Option A, Lieutenant Governor. Option B, Majority Party in Legislature. Option C, President. Or Option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is Option A, Lieutenant Governor. Moving to the next question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Option B, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. Option C, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Or option D, Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Moving to the next question. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? Option A, Chief Justice. Option B, Speaker. Option C, Vice President. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option A, Chief Justice. Moving to the next question. One feature distinguishing the Rajya Sabha from the Vidhan Parishad is option A, power of impeachment. Option B, indirect election. Option C, nomination of members. Or option D, tenure of membership. The correct answer is option A, power of impeachment. Moving to the next question. Chief Ministers of all the states are ex officio members of the option A, Planning Commission. Option B, National Development Council. Option C, Interstate Council. Or option D, Finance Corporation. The correct answer is option C, Interstate Council. Moving to the next question. Investigate the condition of backward classes in general and suggest ameliorative measures. Option A, Art 342. Option B, Article 344. Option C, Article 340. Or option D, Article 339. The correct answer is option C, Article 340. Move to the next question. Who can initiate impeachment proceedings against the President of India? Option A, either House of Parliament. Option B, any Vidhan Sabha. Option C, only Lok Sabha. Or option D, Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option A, either House of Parliament. Moving to the next question. What is the minimum age for appointment as a governor? Option A, 35 years. Option B, 40 years. Option C, 25 years. Or option D, 30 years. The correct answer is option A, 35 years. Moving to the next question. Chief Minister of a state is responsible to option A, Prime Minister. Option B, Rajya Sabha. Option C, Legislative Assembly. Or option D, Governor. The correct answer is option C, Legislative Assembly. Moving to the next question. How many times the President of India can seek re-election to his post? Option A, once. Option B, 3 times. Option C, 2 times. Or option D, any number of times. The correct answer is option D, any number of times. Moving to the next question. Who among the following has the power to form a new state within the Union of India? Option A, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option B, President. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, Supreme Court. The correct answer is option B, President. Moving to the next question. Is the Prime Minister bound to advise the President on matters on which his advice is sought? Option A, if the Council of Ministers so desires. Option B, yes. Option C, no. Or option D, it is discretionary. The correct answer is option B, yes. Moving to the next question. When the Vice President officiates as President, draws the salary of option A, Chairman of Rajya Sabha. Option B, both A and C. Option C, President. Or option D, Member of Parliament? The correct answer is option C, President. Moving to the next question. Who among the following can attend meetings of the Union Cabinet? Option A, President. Option B, Cabinet Ministers. Option C, Ministers of State. Or option D, Deputy Ministers. The correct answer is option B, Cabinet Ministers. Moving to the next question. Under whose advice the President of India declares emergency under Article 352? Option A, Chief Ministers of all states. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Cabinet. Or option D, Council of Ministers. The correct answer is option C, Cabinet. Move to the next question. The President can proclaim emergency on the written advice of the option A, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Chief Justice of India. Or option D, Union Cabinet. The correct answer is option B, Prime Minister. Moving to the next question. The Union Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to option A, Rajya Sabha. Option B, President. Option C, House of the People. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option C, House of the People. Moving to the next question. The maximum duration for which the Vice President may officiate as the President is option A, 1 year. Option B, 6 months. Option C, 4 months. Or option D, 9 months. The correct answer is option B, 6 months. Moving to the next question. The President's rule in a state can be continued for a maximum period of option A, 2 years. Option B, 1 year. Option C, 6 months. Or option D, 22 years. The correct answer is option C, 6 months. Moving to the next question. The chairman and members of State Public Service Commission are appointed by the option A, President. Option B, Chairman UPSC. Option C, Governor. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option D, Prime Minister. Move to the next question. Who appoints the chairman of the UPSC? Option A, President. Option B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option C, Chief Justice of India. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option A, President. Move to the next question. If the President wants to resign from office, he may do so by writing to the option A, Chief Justice of India. Option B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, Vice President. The correct answer is option D, Vice President. Moving to the next question. The 5-year term of the President is calculated from the option A, first day of the month following the month he assumes charge. Option B, date of his election result. Option C, day he assumes charge. Or option D, first day of the month he assumes charge. The correct answer is option C, day he assumes charge. Moving to the next question. Who is the ex-officio chairman of the Council of States? Option A, Vice President. Option B, Leader of the Opposition. Option C, President. or option D, Speaker? The correct answer is option A, Vice President. Moving to the next question. At a time, President's rule can be imposed on a state for a maximum period of option A, 1 year, option B, 5 years, option C, 2 years, or option D, 4 years. The correct answer is option A, 1 year. Moving to the next question. The chairman of the Planning Commission in India is the option A, President, option B, Prime Minister, option C, Minister of Planning, or option D, Finance Minister. The correct answer is option B, Prime Minister. Moving to the next question. The Indian President is option A, none of these, option B, titular executive, option C, real executive, or option D, real or titular executive. The correct answer is option B, titular executive. Moving to the next question. The minimum age required for becoming the Prime Minister of India is option A, 30 years, option B, 35 years, option C, 40 years, or option D, 25 years. The correct answer is option D, 25 years. Moving to the next question. The President's rule in a state means that the state is ruled by option A, caretaker government, option B, the Chief Minister nominated by the President, option C, the Governor of the state, or option D, the President directly. The correct answer is option C, the Governor of the state. Moving to the next question. The Chief Minister of a Union Territory, whenever such a setup exists, is appointed by the option A, the Lieutenant Governor, option B, the majority party in the legislature, option C, the President, or option D, the Prime Minister. The correct answer is option A, the Lieutenant Governor. Moving to the next question. The President can make laws through ordinances. Option A, only on subjects contained in the concurrent list. Option B, under no circumstances. Option C, on certain subjects even when Parliament is in session. Or option D, during the recess of the Parliament. The correct answer is option D, during the recess of the Parliament. Move to the next question. How many types of emergency have been visualized in the Constitution of India? Option A, 4. Option B, 3. Option C, 1. Or option D, 2. The correct answer is option B, 3. Move to the next question. The impeachment proceedings against the Vice President can be initiated. Option A, only in Lok Sabha. Option B, in either House of the Parliament. Option C, in either House of Parliament. Or option D, only in Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is option D, only in Rajya Sabha. Move to the next question. Who appoints the Governor of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Chief Minister of the state. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Chief Justice of the High Court. Or option D, President. The correct answer is option D, President. Move to the next question. The President of India can be removed from his office by the option A, Parliament. Option B, Chief Justice of India. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, Lok Sabha. The correct answer is option A, Parliament. Move to the next question. If a minister loses a no confidence motion, then option A, Lok Sabha is dissolved. Option B, only Prime Minister and that minister resigns. Option C, the whole Council of Ministers resigns. Or option D, the minister resigns. The correct answer is the whole Council of Ministers resigns. Move to the next question. The only instance when the President of India exercised his power of veto related to the option A, Indian Post Office or Amendment Bill. Option B, Dowry Prohibition Bill. Option C, Hindu Code Bill. Or option D, PEPSU Appropriation Bill. The correct answer is option A, Indian Post Office Amendment Bill. Move to the next question. The control of the preparation of electoral rolls for Parliament and Legislature rests with the option A, President. Option B, Election Commission. Option C, Cabinet. Or option D, Prime Minister. The correct answer is option B, Election Commission. Move to the next question. In India, political parties are given recognition by option A, Election Commission. Option B, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Option C, President. Or option D, Law Commission. The correct answer is option A, Election Commission. Move to the next question. The Vice President is elected by an electoral college consisting of members of option A, both houses of Parliament and the state legislature. Option B, both houses of Parliament. Option C, Lok Sabha. Or option D, Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is both houses of Parliament and the state legislature. Moving to the next question. The Election Commission does not conduct the elections to the option A, Lok Sabha. Option B, President's election. Option C, Rajya Sabha. Or option D, local bodies. The correct answer is option D, local bodies. Moving to the next question. The maximum age prescribed for election as president is option A, no such limit. Option B, 62 years. Option C, 58 years. Or option D, 60 years. The correct answer is option A, no such limit. Move to the next question. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the option A, High Court. Option B, Election Commission. Option C, Parliament. Or option D, Supreme Court. The correct answer is option B, Election Commission. Move to the next question. Who appoints the Chief Election Commissioner of India? Option A, Chief Justice of India. Option B, President. Option C, Prime Minister. Or option D, Parliament. The correct answer is option B, President. Move to the next question. Which among the following is not a part of the electoral reforms? Option A, installation of electronic voting machines. Option B, appointment of election commissioner. Option C, registration of political parties. Or option D, disqualifying the offenders. The correct answer is installation of electronic voting machines. Thank you for watching our videos. If you like our videos, don't forget to comment and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Knowledge Library.